Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can monetize your TikTok account if you have met up with the requirement, and also I will be showing you the requirements again to get monetized on your TikTok account. If you have TikTok account, then this video is just for you. I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to monetize your TikTok account. So please, all what I request from you is that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings required to monetize your TikTok account. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here we have to click on our profile icon down below by our right hand side. So we click on it, and guys, it will be coming up like this. This is one of my TikTok accounts, so you can also follow me. So guys, once you open like this, it open like this. Here you have to click on the three dots by your right hand side. You click on it like this, and then it will be coming up like this. Here you have to click on creator tools. You have to click on creator tools. So after you click on creator tools, it will be coming up like this. But guys, please, before we go further, if you are visiting our YouTube channel for the first time, or if you are visiting our TikTok for the first time, please request you that you follow or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on our channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see, it will be coming up like this. What you're going to be doing next, here we have the first one I'll be showing today. We have the subscription. You can earn money on TikTok with subscription, and these are the requirements. Start subscription to build your live community. Now guys, as you can see, it says to use live subscription you must follow our community guidelines and meet the following requirement. First, you have to make sure that you have live access. You have to make sure that you have live access on TikTok, and then you have to also make sure that you go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days. Of course, going live for 30 minutes is nothing. In fact, you must not even show your face when going live. And also, you need about at least 1,000 followers. You need at least 1,000 followers in order to get or to earn from subscription. So the next thing we click on OK, and the next thing we'll be having, guys, as you can see, you can earn massive money when you are for the subscription, and it is very simple. You can, guys, as you can see, we have start live subscription, live more earnings, build stronger connection, share unique videos, and then after you must have met up with the requirement, here you just have to click on start. So this is the first one we have, and also we have the second one, which is video gifts, which is video gifts. You can earn on video gifts, guys. To earn on video gift is very simple. Guys, as you can see, it says viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when feature is turned on. So you can easily turn it on by clicking on this icon here. And guys, as you can see, here are some of the requirements to get gifts on your TikTok whenever you go live or whenever you upload content on TikTok. Guys, as you can see, it says get gifts on your top performing videos. Gifts are a fun way for viewers to support your content and help fund your creativity. Eligible accounts and the videos must be in good standing. Follow our community guidelines. Of course, we have discussed about that. And guys, we also have agreed to terms and service policy and reward policy, and meet and maintain certain eligibility criteria, which include 10,000 followers. You must have 10,000 followers before your videos can be monetized on TikTok. We also have video must pass safety moderation to be eligible. Guys, as you can see, we also have an account that have been active for at least 30 days. We also have meet the age requirement. Of course, you have to be more than 18 years. And then we also have account not used by government, politicians or political parties. So your account must not include anything that has to deal with politics also. So guys, as you can see, like this account I've met up with all the requirements. The only requirement remaining is 10,000 followers. So guys, these are top ways to earn money on TikTok. Now there are other ways I will be showing you again, which is work with artists. Work with artists. So once you click on this one, you see, guys, as you can see, it says how do you work with artists. Pick a paid music tags you are interested in, create a video with that particular song and post it. The more likes, shares and views you get, the more you earn. Guys, as you can see, these are 3 ways you can earn money on TikTok. And also, we have to apply to work with artists. You must be at least 18 years old, have more than 1,000 followers, then pass anti-cheating verification. So after you must have met up with all these requirements, all what you need to do, you just have to click on apply. Don't forget, I said TikTok monetization is very simple, unlike YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I think, to my best of my knowledge, TikTok monetization is the simplest. TikTok monetization is one of the simplest on the social media. So these are some of the top 3 ways you can earn money on TikTok and how you can earn money with them. So guys, as you can see, if you have more questions, you can click on the ask me question, then you can view more answers, or you can get more answers. So guys, this is how you can get monetized on your TikTok account. If you have any question, drop a comment on the comment section. I'm ever ready to reply. And if you want us to make a content about a particular topic, you are free to drop the topic of the content on the comment section. We're ever ready to reply. Please, if you found this video to be helpful to you, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to follow our TikTok account. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.